Today let us see about Anna University UG thesis preparation format. So while preparing your thesis, you should be very careful about your cover page, title page, introduction, table of contents, and writing abstract, references. Then what are the things you have to include in the introduction part? What are the things you have to include in the materials and methods part, and how about writing results and discussion, etc. shall be discussed here in this video. So first you have to be very clear about the arrangement of contents. That is, what are the things you have to arrange for your arrange while you are writing your project report. First, you should be very clear about your cover page and title page, then bona fide certificate, abstract, table of contents, list of tables, list of figures, list of symbols, abbreviations and nomenclature, chapters, that is introduction, materials and methods, results and discussion, conclusion part, that you should be very clear in your chapter part. Then appendices. The next thing is references, which is very important while writing your thesis. So page dimension and binding specification for your UG report. The dimension of the project report should be in A4 size. Only A4 size is allowed to write the project report. The project report should be bound using flexible cover of the thick white art paper. The cover should be printed in black letters and the text for printing should be identical. So this is an example for writing your title page or the cover page. First, you have to mention the title of your project report, and the font style you have to use is Times New Roman, and the font style size is 18. Then a project report with size 14 submitted by italicized and size is 14. Name of the candidate or name of candidates. That is, if you are doing the project in group wise, you can mention the names according to your register number or alphabetical order with the font size 16. In partial fulfillment for the award of the degree of, that should be italicized and font size is 14. Name of the degree, that is maybe BE or BTech or BAc, size is 16. In branch of study, size is 14. And name of the college, 16. Anna University Chennai 600025. It should be written in 16. And month and year, it may be April 2021 or May 2021. That after the Viva or the year following. And bona fide certificate. The bona fide certificate should be in double line spacing using font style Times New Roman and font size is 14 as per the format shown here. That is Anna University Chennai 600025 Times New Roman 18. Then bona fide certificate 16 sizes. Certified that this project report, title of your project, is a bona fide work of name of a single candidate or a group of candidates that depend on your project. Who carried out the project work under my supervision. It should be signed by your supervisor and also head of the department. Abstract. Abstract is very important while you are writing your report, because from the introduction to your last results and discussion, it should be simplified as a one-page synopsis. It should be written with the double line spacing, and font style is Times New Roman with font size 14. A table of content. The table of content should list all material following it as well as any material which precedes it. Don't include the title page and bona fide certificate. That is, you should not mention the page number for title page and bona fide certificate while writing the table of content, while other part has to be given page numbers while writing the table of content. Include the contents which has the page numbers in lowercase Roman letters. That is, for while you are writing table of list of table, list of figure, list of abbreviations and symbols, for these cases lowercase Roman letters will be given as page numbers. So that has also been mentioned in table of content. And the line spacing you have to give is 1.5. So this is an example. Chapter number, title, It may be abstract or list of table or list of figure or list of symbol, anything else, lowercase Roman letter. Then the next one is introduction. You have to give Arabic number, page number. List of tables. The list should use exactly the same captions as they appear above the tables and the text. The line spacing is 1.5. The list of figures is also the same one as you follow for table. The list should use exactly the same captions as they appear below the figures in the text, and the line spacing you have to use is 1.5. List of symbols, abbreviations and nomenclature. That is for standard symbols, maybe degree, theta. This is some of the examples I am saying for you. Degree, theta, Celsius, etc. Gamma. These things can be expanded and written in your list of symbols, abbreviations and nomenclature, and followed by line space 1.5. Chapters. The chapters may be broadly divided into 3 parts. Introductory chapter, chapters developing the main theme of the project, and conclusion. The second one, it is materials and methodology, results and discussion. The main text can be divided into several chapters, and these several chapters, that is each chapter, may be further divided into several divisions and subdivisions. Each chapter should be given an appropriate title. Tables and figures in a chapter should be placed in the immediate vicinity of the reference where they are cited. Footnotes should be used sparingly. They should be typed single space and placed directly underneath in the very same page which refers to the material they annotate. An appendices is not very important for all. If you have appendices, that is this the main aim of this appendices is the things which cannot be kept in your materials and methodology or results and discussion, that this may affect the flow of your report. So that cases, that type of tables or anything else, it should be kept in appendices. So appendices are provided to give supplementary information which is included in the main text, may serve as a distraction and cloud the central theme. Appendices should be numbered using Arabic numerals, that is example appendix 1, appendix 2, etc. Appendices, tables and references appearing in appendices should be numbered and referred to at appropriate places, just as in the case of chapters. Appendices shall carry the title of the work reported, and the same title shall be made in the contents page also. And list of references. Writing references is very, very important. You should strictly follow the things given in the things given in the format, because this may make you a person in writing your thesis in your PG and also while doing your PhD. It will be very helpful for you. So the listing of references should be typed 4 spaces below the heading references. It should be in alphabetical order, single spacing, left justified. The alphabetical order of the first author has to be taken into account. The name of the author or authors should be immediately followed by the year and other details. This is a reference example. For example, the first one you can see the name of 2 authors, Ariponamo S and Natarajan S. You can see the placement of comma and full stop on the year of publication within the brackets. Then the publication title of the publication, Transport Phenomena of SL, XASX. Then the journal where it has been published, volume number and page number. Table and figures. By the word table is meant tabulated numerical data. That is anything else you are getting a tabulated value, maybe in materials and methods or results and discussion. Any tabulated numerical data, you should be given a caption for a table and should be kept in list of table. And other things like non-verbal materials used in the body of the project work, maybe chart, graph, map, photograph, diagrams, etc. should be given a caption for figure, and it should be kept in list of figures. Typing instruction. The impression on the typed copy should be black in color. A line spacing is 1.5, should be used for typing the general text. The general text shall be typed in font style Times New Roman and font size 14. So I think you all enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly like, share and comment what type of videos you want in the future in the comment section, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.